Dye transfer can occur when mixing whites and colors in a load. Sort dark colors from whites and lights. Use warm or hot water washes if safe for the fabric load. Make sure the hot water heater is adequate to provide a hot water wash and help to dissolve detergent. Check to make sure that the hot and cold hoses are installed correctly and not reversed. Do not overload the washer. The washer can be fully loaded but not tightly packed. The wash load must be balanced. Use the recommended amount of detergent according to the soil level, water temperature, and hardness of the water. Be sure to use the detergent dispenser when available, or add detergent prior to loading clothes. For extremely hard water, use a water conditioner or install a water softener. Follow manufacturer's label on the clothing for proper fabric care.